What's going on, everybody, and welcome to a new unboxing video. So we haven't done an unboxing video in a while. Super excited for this one. For the first time ever as well, if you guys know me, we went with some peripherals. Some new peripherals. Went a little bit different here. I went Logitech this time around, the Pro X. Just honestly, from everything I heard, a phenomenal headset. I'm hoping that holds true. So we're going to be unboxing that. And we've got this. This is definitely a new venture for me in terms of PC peripherals and gaming peripherals in general. Usually I use wired. I use wired for everything. This is a HyperX mouse. But little departure. We have the G305. I don't know if the camera's going to pick that up there. G305 Lightspeed wireless gaming mouse. So we're going to unbox those, check them out, do a first impressions video. But first, we got merch, guys. Go and check them out in the link in the description. Thank you to Sector 6 for making just a fantastic apparel and for getting the store up and running while we revamped everything and got everything ready. So go check it out if you guys want to grab it. You can use the link and use Asylum CDN for 5% off your purchase. So go check that out. Let's jump right into it. I misplaced my knife. All right. Let's get it. We're gonna take a look, see what's inside the box. Cut the mouse. That's a lot smaller than I thought. I haven't actually seen these. I've never held them, never used them. I bought them on a whim. So I think comparison, we're gonna put that off to the side for right now. But inside the box, nothing super crazy. We get a battery and we get some paperwork. So we'll pull everything out here. Manuals, all that sort of stuff. We get a nice Logitech sticker, nice and blue. We'll go right to the bottom here. Oh. We get a charging cable. Looks like a what's up here? Looks like a USB of some kind here. Stuck. It's kind of cool. It's a little bit different. USB charging cable. And a single AA battery. Well, I'm just tossing stuff on the floor here. Pretty basic. All right, well let's test out the mouse here. It's so light. Oh my god. It's not much smaller in terms of it's actually quite smaller in terms of the even the HyperX mouse I have. That's really small. But oh my god, it feels so light. It feels so nice. It's honestly it feels phenomenal. I don't even really know what to say. All right, let's put that off to the side there. And let's get into this guy. Let's get right into it. No room here on my desk. Now, these guys I'm a little bit more familiar with. I know that they apparently just feel absolutely fantastic. They're not heavy by any means. The microphone quality is apparently one of the best microphones you can possibly have on a headset. So we got right out of the box, we got the headset. We have our USB to headphone jack. That's an interesting little adapter. Put that off to the side there. The actual headset, it feels nothing. It's so lightweight. Oh, this unboxing experience though. All right. Oh, okay, Logitech. As I drop it, I see you. And inside the pouch, that's a really nice pouch. I like that pouch. Put that off to the side. We got some headphones. We got our microphone, a Blue audio, since Logitech acquired Blue like a couple years ago. This looks like it's for. That's a splitter. Really nothing special there. This looks like it's for a mobile device, and this is our normal standard audio cable. Okay. There's some more stuff in there. Man, they're hiding. Okay. They give you AirPads. Oh, they give you earpads. These are different. These are like a cloth style almost. Well, they are. They're like a mesh. That's very cool. Wow, those are. If you're into the cloth, wow, those are actually extremely light. So I wonder if it's like a. It must be our leatherette ones, and that's it. So let's take a look at the headset. How do you open this thing? Okay. Okay, Logitech. I wonder how you take these off, actually. We'll take a look at the manual. But... Alright, first impressions. Wow, that stretch is just phenomenal. Oh, alright, that's a little tight. Do that a couple of times to kind of loosen her up there. Wow. It's like the sound just vanishes. It just evaporates. They're super soft. Honestly, I wonder how they would feel with these. So, first impressions. Where did I put the mouse? I misplaced the mouse already. That's right in front of my face. All right. So, first impressions. As I'm holding this probably in reverse. Anyways, looks reversed to the camera. Um, Logitech makes just phenomenal, phenomenal product. It's just the build quality, the microphone quality. I don't think there's anyone out there that really compares right now. I think that they just make the best peripherals. Gonna be my first time using a Logitech mouse. I'm not gonna lie. And also with that going wireless. This is definitely gonna be one that I want to do a review on. It's gonna be one that after extensive testing and extensive gaming and use, I want to know: is there delay? Is there latency? Is there you know a benefit to wireless over wired? Is wireless really good now? Is it something that you want to use going forward? Or is wired still the preferred peripherals? The headset, if you guys do want to see a review on it, I'll gladly do one. I love doing headset reviews, and I personally love headsets in general. I use headphones galore. Absolutely love them. I love audio and stuff like that. It's something that I take great pride in. Care in, I guess. Pride, that sounds stupid. I take great care in. And something that I always try to make sure I do is I have very good audio. So if you would like to see a review on the Pro X headset, I know they've been out for a while, but hey, let me know with a comment and with your feedbacks if you want one as well there. So thank you guys very much for tuning into this unboxing. It turned into kind of a little first impressions video as well. Not always the worst thing in the world. Thank you guys as well for all of your support on the videos as of late. It's been absolutely phenomenal, and you guys have been killing it, so I appreciate it. And if you guys do want some merch, go check out the link at the top of the description there. And thank you to Sector 6 for making amazing apparel. Couldn't be happier, and I think you guys will love it as well. So thank you guys very much for tuning in. If you guys did enjoy, be sure to leave a like and sub with those post notifications on so that you do not miss an upload. And I will see you guys in the next one.